I grew from 0 to 25 million in 8 years, and I'm doing it again, but this time faster. No investors, no inheritance, no lucky break. Built in Australia from scratch, working with 7 and 8 figure business owners who've built something impressive on the outside, but were quietly struggling on the inside. Now, over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 3-part architecture that I used to get there and how we're scaling to over $100 million in the next 2 years. More importantly, why most business owners at your level are already doing the hard part and still not winning. Now, here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. Most business owners hit 7 figures and they think the hard part is over. The reality is it's not. That's where the real problems start. Revenue is up, stress is up, margins are thin, personal wealth is barely moving. You're working harder than anybody that you know, and you still feel like you should be further ahead. Well, that feeling is real, and it's not a motivation problem. You've built yourself a very expensive job. The business that was supposed to give you the freedom that you were looking for is actually what's keeping you trapped. And I know this because I've sat across the table from hundreds of business owners in the exact same position as you. And I was in that position myself before I figured out what I'm about to show you. The problem isn't effort, guys. You've already put in plenty of effort. The problem is the architecture. There are 3 layers that you have to build, but you've got to build them in the right order. And most people try and build all 3 at once and end up getting none of them right. The ones who got results were the ones who built them one at a time. Now, before I show you what that looks like, let me show you what it produces. So my business, Aureus Financial, is a multi-division financial services and business services firm. Today, we're valued at over 25 million, and we're scaling to 100 million by December 2028. We currently service about 700 clients across Australia, and we're adding 30 to 50 new clients every single month. Every client is a 7 or 8 figure business owner. Every outcome is exactly the same. More profit, more time, and more freedom. Now, here's the part that I want you to pay attention to. We do not advise on anything that we have not done ourselves. The profit mastery machine runs inside Aureus Financial every week. We own our sweeps, our own allocations, and our own distributions. It's the same system that our clients use. The Aureus operating system governs how our team of 65 operates across the 6 divisions. Every workflow, every escalation path, every accountability. The value-based pricing system is how we price every solution that we offer. We repriced our own services using the same framework that we teach. And that repricing is the significant reason why we are valued at $25 million today. The positioning pyramid defined who we serve and why we are the only logical choice for 7 and 8 figure business owners in Australia who are wanting to fast track their path to financial freedom. That positioning is what drives 30 to 50 new clients every month without a traditional sales model. The 20-year roadmap exists for this business and for me personally. I know the number, the timeline, and the path. December 2028, $100 million. Every decision gets made against that roadmap. And then the tax mastery machine runs inside our own entity structure. Our accounting team does this for our business, the exact same thing that we do for every client. Not just compliance, it's tax strategy. And the bucket system and the investment operating system govern how my personal wealth is structured and deployed. This is exactly how I've built over $15 million in investment assets. There's a cash bucket, there's an income bucket, and there's a growth bucket. The same 3 buckets that every wealth client builds. We are not teaching theory, guys. We are showing you the exact model that we are already running. And the results that we get for clients are the results that we're getting for ourselves. So let me run you through the architecture and how it actually works. So part 1 is profit, not revenue, profit. There is a massive difference that most 7-figure business are confusing the two. Profit comes down to 3 core things. It's your positioning, it's your pricing, and it's your cash flow control. So positioning. The reason why margins are thin is because you're attracting the wrong clients. When your positioning is unclear, you compete on price by default. You end up working harder for less money with clients who are harder to please. We fix this with the positioning pyramid. It is a structured framework that defines who you serve, what specific problem you solve, and why you are the only logical choice for that client. Because when you get your positioning right, the right clients come to you pre-sold. They're not shopping around. They're not asking for discounts. They're not comparing you to somebody cheaper. One shift in positioning has added more to a business's bottom line in a year than all of their new leads combined. We know this because we did this inside our own business first. Pricing. The second reason profit is thin is because you're undercharging. Not slightly, significantly. Most business owners at this level are still pricing based on time, cost of what the market charges, right? None of these methods capture the actual value being delivered. We use the value-based pricing system to rebuild every pricing conversation from the ground up. You price based on outcomes. You price based on what the result is worth to your client, not what it costs you to deliver it. One repricing exercise done properly adds more to your bottom line than months of marketing spend. And then we've got cash flow control. The third piece is the profit mastery machine. Profit doesn't happen by accident. Without a system that tracks where every dollar goes and enforces what stays in the business, profit leaks out through expenses, drawings, and poor timing. The profit mastery machine gives you predictable, stable income that you can reinvest. It is the foundation that everything else sits on. You cannot build wealth from a business whose cash flow you do not control. So when positioning, pricing, and cash flow work together, the business becomes a profit engine instead of a revenue treadmill. Now that's layer one. Layer two is time, specifically getting your time back. Because the reason you are still trapped in the business is not because you haven't hired enough people. It's because the business still runs on you. Every decision, every problem, every escalation comes back to you. And as long as that is true, you're not a true owner. You are an operator with a title. There are three things that change that. Rules. The Aureus operating system gives your business a set of operational guidelines that govern how decisions get made without you. When your team has a clear system for how things work, the business runs predictably, whether you are there or not. You stop being the answer to every question. We run this inside Aureus Financial across 65 team members and 6 divisions. It is the reason I am not the bottleneck in my own system. And then we move on to systems. Most businesses at 7 figures are held together by the owner's memory. The delivery process lives in your head. The client management process lives in your head. The onboarding process lives in your head. So systemize yourself to success, documents those processes and turns them into repeatable systems that any team member can follow. When you systemize delivery, the business handles growth without you and doesn't add pressure to you. And then we get to team. The dream team designer is the framework for getting the right people in the right seats with the right accountabilities. Hiring bodies doesn't give you time back. Hiring and structuring the right team does. A strong team doesn't just support growth. It is the mechanism that gives you your time back. So when these three are in place, the business runs without you needing to show up for every decision. And that's when you stop being the most expensive employee in your own business and you start being the real owner. In 12 months, this layer alone should reduce your dependency on the business by at least 50%. In 36 months, the business should be generating predictable results with minimal involvement from you. And then we get to part 3. This is freedom. And this is the part that most business owners never reach. Not because it's hard, it's because nobody told them it was possible. Most advisors help you grow your business, but almost none of them help you convert that business into personal wealth. That gap is where business owners end up at 35 with significant revenue and nothing outside of the business. Freedom has ultimately 3 components. One is about protecting profits. The war chest system. A business that cannot run without you has no exit value and no succession plan. The war chest system builds a business that operates independently of the owner. It creates a structure for continuity and gives you options that you don't have right now. Generate passive income, the quarterly sweep. The business needs to produce consistent income that does not require you to be present. And the quarterly sweep turns business profit into regular, predictable distributions. This is how the business funds your family's future, not just 12 months of expenses. And then we need to build the value. This is the business value multiplier. Most businesses see profit erode during growth phases. The business value multiplier protects long-term profitability so that when you are ready to exit, the valuation is worth exiting for. Because the end game is not just freedom now, It is the top quartile exit when you choose to walk away. The target we work towards with every client is working towards $300,000 or more in passive income to exceed your lifestyle costs and have a great surplus. Working 4 days a week, working 44 weeks per year, having complete time and location freedom. Business exit on your terms at a number that sets you and your family up permanently. That's what true freedom actually looks like. And it is available to any business owner who builds these 3 layers in the right order. We've seen over 700 clients on that path right now, and we're adding 30 to 50 more clients every single month in our business. We've got clients that are growing 30% year on year, 100% year on year, 300% year on year, and they're doing it profitably. They're not just growing, but they're growing their profit. And we guarantee it. Your problem's solved or you don't pay. We own the outcome. So I've built a $25 million business getting this architecture right. Profit first, then time, then freedom, in that order. And I'm building it again right now. It's the same system, same sequence, but it's just a bigger target. $100 million by December 2028. Now, most people try to shortcut that order to tackle all 3 at once. They spend years working hard and wonder why nothing compounds. You don't need to do more. You just need the right architecture. So here's your next step. Pick the weakest of these 3 layers in your business right now. Profit, time, freedom. Commit to building it properly for 90 days. That's the sprint. And if you want a clear roadmap of exactly where you stand and what to build first, complete the Wealth Health Check, our financial performance scorecard in the description below, and it will give you a customized report of exactly where you're at. It's going to identify the weakest layer, tell you what to fix first, and show you how the whole architecture fits together specific for your business. And if this video gave you something useful, hit subscribe and like, maybe share it with your network. And in the next video, we're going to go deeper into exactly how we do this in practice. I look forward to seeing you there. Catch you then.